Hello, and welcome back to our partner training series presented by ServingIntel for your point of sale system. In today's video, we are going to learn how to initialize our remote access portal for the first time. But first, let's learn a bit about what this great feature can do for you. As most of us in the service industry know, there aren't a lot of days off, and when you do get some time for yourself, the last thing that you want to have to do is to go back into the business because you or someone else needs something accessed from the point of sale system. So you inevitably have to take time away from your off day, go into the business, and access whatever it is that was needed, leaving you to feel like you didn't even get a chance to get away on your one day off. Well, as part of ServingIntel's lifestyle solutions, we offer a great way to access just about anything from your POS without having to leave your happy place. So let's learn how we can get this set up and get logged in for the first time. To begin the process to set up our remote access, we will need to call into the service desk at 1-888-477-7711 and selecting extension 2. Once one of our friendly and helpful service desk agents answers your call, just tell them that you would like to enable your remote access link. The service desk will then identify who you are and verify your email address so that they can send an activation email link to you. Then, within a few minutes, you will receive an email just like this with a link, username, and a one-time password for your account. So we will make note of our user passname and one-time password and click the link. Once we are brought to the login site, we suggest setting this link as a favorite or writing it down for future use. And then we will get logged in using the username and one-time password provided in the email. Once we do that, we will be prompted to change our password immediately. And when setting your new password, please keep in mind that this should follow our standard password guidelines for strong password selection. Secure passwords are vital to the security of your business, and this page contains some tips for creating the most secure passwords. Passwords must be a minimum of 7 characters in length. Passwords should use a combination of upper and lowercase letters. You can try to use a memorable sentence or line of poetry, but condense it and change up the letters and spelling. For example, Jack has gold eyes becomes this phrase right here. Spell words incorrectly on purpose. For example, Jack becomes J-A-K. Make the password something that is easy for you to remember, but avoid needing to write it down. You can also use keyboard characters and numbers as substitutes for letters. For example, the traditional J-A-C-K for Jack will turn into J&CK. And please keep in mind that you will need to reset your password every 90 days. And once we have completed the password reset, we will be prompted to re-log in using our new password. Then, as an extra set of security, you'll be prompted for a second factor of authentication. And what this means is that you will receive a one-time code in your email that will grant you access for this remote session. This two-factor authentication process will happen every time that you log in remotely. And this is, of course, to ensure the highest standards of security for you and your business. And once you enter the code from your email, you will then be granted access to your portal where you can see each one of your terminals. Pretty cool, huh? Now go ahead and look around this portal and check out all of the cool functions. Or you can check out our other videos on this topic to see everything that you can do through this portal without ever having to leave your happy place. And before you leave, don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way, you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any other aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel service desk for 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 and selecting extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@pos.partners, and your support request will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our partner learning series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing ServingIntel for all of your restaurant technology needs.